Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video, and this is my first mod on my Mark II Focus ST. That's right, you've seen the title. It's an induction kit that's going in to my ST. Let's go, guys.
Came back with a click clack and a tick, that's it, that's fresh like a tic tac. Any pagan ops that I rip down.
The RAMAIR induction kit for my ST, and how we're going to do it is obviously the ECU is here and the air filter is here, so this is going to come off. That's for the ECU holder, so that's the ECU is going to go in there, which is going to sit here, and obviously the cone is going to come out and sit here. But we're going to get it started, and the first thing we're going to do is obviously disconnect the battery first and then go from there.
First, we're going to start off by disconnecting the battery. Safety first. Give it a bit of a wiggle. And that's out. Now we're going to take off the ECU cover, which will expose the ECU. It just slides up. Then there's 4 T25 screws, so there's one here, 2 on this side, and 1 on the opposite side of this, right at the bottom.
So, like I said, there's 4 T25s. Just unscrew them. It's the last one. And the ECU, as you can see at the bottom, should just come off. There we go. So now that the ECU is out, we're gonna start off by taking the cover off. That's pretty straightforward. There we go. Then we're going to move over to the MAF sensor. And then also the top Jubilee clamp there. Once we've loosened the clips, all you have to do is basically yank it out, put a bit of force into it, and right, so the ECU obviously goes into the holder, and it comes with 3 8mm nuts, and obviously tighten them up. As soon as it's secure, the top of it will go on. So once everything is tightened up, obviously the ECU holder sits there. There we have the ECU holder done. Right, so we've connected the coupler onto the crossover pipe, and then we're going to put the induction kit onto the MAF sensor, which will connect from there. and go over there. There we have it. The RAMAIR induction kit installed. I think it looks amazing. It looks quite good. There we have your ECU cover and then the induction kit itself. Obviously, make sure you assemble everything back together. Now let's hear a start up. Right guys, so that was a how-to video on how to install an induction kit on the Mark II Focus ST. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you like it. It absolutely sounds mad. I'm gonna take it out for a drive now and see exactly what it sounds like. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe, share and like. Take care and I'll see you soon.